next I explain the path gate vehicles making process and using components. So first of all, I explain the path gate vehicle using components. First one is the Arduino boards. The Arduino boards will be totally control the path gate vehicles. Second one is the IR sensors. The IR sensors will be detect the particular path lines. The black color lines will be detect the two wires. IR using the two wires. One side control the left side, another IR will be control the right sides. Third one is the motor drivers. The motor drivers will be controlling the two DC motors power supplies and IR sensor power supply. Totally the both power supply will be controlling the motor drivers. And finally all the wire circuits connections are using the jumper wires. Totally three type of the jumper wires are using male to male, female to female, male to females. And next I am using the two DC motors. The bottom of the two wheels will be controlling the two DC motors. And I am using the power source. I am using the batteries. The battery source is the 3000 mAh lithium ion batteries. There is the path gate vehicle making using components.